Hi boys and girls, I hope we're all keeping safe and well. Today I was going to talk to you about length. Now length is a type of measurement and we can use words like longer and shorter to describe length. We can also use tools to help us measure length as well. Let's go and explore this further. I've made 2 balls of yellow Play-Doh and I'm rolling them out with a flat hand to make 2 yellow snakes. Now we're ready to use our eyes to measure which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. What do you think? I can tell you that this is the shortest snake and it is shorter than this snake. This is the longest snake and this snake is longer than this snake. Now I'm going to use Lego blocks that are all the same size to measure the length of our snakes. By connecting these blocks together and counting them, I will be able to measure which snake is the longest and which one is the shortest. Let's count how many blocks long our first snake is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This snake is 10 blocks long. I've written this down to help us remember. Now let's count how many blocks long our second snake is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The snake is 18 blocks long and I've written this down to help us remember. Let's compare these now to see which snake is the longest and which one is the shortest. 10 blocks is less than 18 blocks, so this means that our first snake is the shortest. 18 blocks is more than 10 blocks, so this makes our second snake the longest snake. Using a ruler is an excellent way to measure length, but it's important that we do so by starting at this line here. This line represents 0. Rulers can be used to measure in millimetres. Can you see the letters mm here? And we measure length by counting these tiny little lines here. Rulers can also be used to measure in centimetres. Here are the letters cm to represent centimetres. And here is the measurements of 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimetres. If we turn over our ruler, we can also measure in inches. This is a much bigger measurement. Can you see? 1, 2, 3 inches. But today we are going to be measuring our snakes in centimetres. I've placed the first line of my ruler right next to the start of my snake. And we are going to be measuring in centimetres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our first snake is 10 centimetres long and I've written that down so that we remember. Let's measure our second snake now. I've placed the first line at the start of the snake and we're measuring in centimetres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Our second snake is 18 centimetres long and I've written that down to remind us. But which snake is the longest? The first snake is 10 centimetres long. And that is less than our second snake, which is 18 centimetres long. This means that our first snake is the shortest. Our second snake is 18 centimetres long, which is more than our first snake, which was 10 centimetres. This means that our second snake is the longest. So as you've seen, there's lots of different ways that we can measure length and use tools such as rulers or blocks. We can also use words such as longer or shorter. Maybe you can try this in your homes too. Take care. Bye bye.